everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today for this video I am unboxing my next Stitch Fix box. So this will be my last unboxing for a few more months. I figure I have a decent amount from the 3 boxes that I will have, and then I will try and do another one in the fall, winter time, just to get a few more pieces of clothing for those seasons. So with this box, I think I chose 3 of the 5, I believe. So I like to keep a few surprises, but for the most part, I picked the majority of the box. So let's see what item number 1 is. Okay, move the camera angle so that way I can see the outfits a little bit better. So this is actually one that I did not pick, and I like it. So it's cut, and it's a little bit above the knee. Mustard yellow, or just a shade of yellow, I guess. So my stylist's name is Rachel, so thumbs up to Rachel, because I think this would be really fun for summer, date night, vacation, whatever. So that's outfit number 1. Okay, here is item number 2, and I did pick out this dress. See a little bit, it's longer, but a little bit past my knees, and just kind of a fun fabric that I thought would be good once again. Summer, date night, all those things. So I approve of this dress. On to item number 3. The next item, I got a necklace. I said I would like a necklace, but I don't wear a ton of necklaces, jewelry, things like that. So this is what they chose. I don't know if it necessarily goes with this dress. I'll have to see if it looks better on the yellow dress, or I'll have to see if it looks good with the other dresses that I've gone through Stitch Fix. But I do like silver versus gold jewelry, so in that regard it's good. But I don't know, I'm not a big jewelry person, but I'm willing to step out of my usual wardrobe, try something different, and we'll see if I can find something to go with it. Okay, so the one I was most excited about, because the past 2 boxes I've asked for a denim jean jacket, but apparently the new trend is like colored denim jean jackets, and I don't think that's really my style per se, and I've never actually had a jean jacket before. So Rachel came through and found me this denim jacket. This is just a shirt from Old Navy with my usual shorts, but I think this would actually look really good on a couple of the other dresses that I got in the last box, the one before that. So I just feel like a jean jacket kind of goes with everything, kind of dress up a tank top and add it to a dress. So I'm very happy with this denim jacket. I don't think you're going to be able to see these because they are leggings, but I will put a video next to this so you can see what they look like. I try and work out at least 5 times a week, so trying to find somewhat affordable but comfortable workout attire is a little difficult. I don't know what the price of these are, but I do like the color, the kind of plum purple color, and the little design on it is fun, and it goes up past my belly button, so that's good to kind of keep everything sucked in, and I don't think it will fall down. That's another issue when I'm working out, is that my pants just kind of roll down. So that's kind of the thing for me. So that's my box this month. Let me get the little sheet here and see. So with everything, it is $202. Yikes! So I'm not sure. I for sure want to keep the denim jacket. That goes with a lot of different things that I have. I have to kind of, not so sure about the necklace. I'll have to try it on with some other dresses to see if it works. The two dresses, I guess I like the cut on the yellow dress, and I like the color of the red dress, but it's kind of a lot of fabric. And then I will have to kind of see about these workout pants. They are super soft, so that's that's nice. So overall, I'm really happy with it, and Rachel did a great job. Hopefully I can get her again as a stylist for when I decide to do it again in the fall or winter time. But thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more unboxings, clothes try-ons. There will be more in the next few months. But comment below and let me know what your favorite item was, and I will see you next time.